Knowledge is a treasure, but practice is the key to it. If you do not change direction, you may end up where you are heading. At the center of your being, you have the answer. You know who you are, and you know what you want. Stop leaving and you will arrive. Stop searching and you will see. Stop running away and you will be found. If you correct your mind, the rest of your life will fall into place. Health is the greatest possession. Contentment is the greatest treasure. Confidence is the greatest friend. New beginnings are often disguised as painful endings. What the caterpillar calls the end, the rest of the world calls a butterfly. Your own positive future begins at this moment. All you have is right now. Every goal is possible from here. Do your work, then step back. The only path to serenity. Life is a series of natural and spontaneous changes. Don't resist them, that only creates sorrow. Let reality be reality. Let things flow naturally forward in whatever way they like. Be still like a mountain, and flow like a great river. To the mind that is still, the whole universe surrenders. When you are content to be simply yourself, and don't compare or compete, everyone will respect you. If you realize that all things change, there is nothing you will try to hold on to. If you are not afraid of dying, there is nothing you cannot achieve. Boasting of wealth and virtue brings your demise. Loss is not as bad as wanting more. He who is contented is rich. Which quote did you like the most? Share your opinion in the comments. Don't miss out on a chance to see the next video. Subscribe.